Hello, I would like to show you today how to use one of the apps deployed in COVID Radar 24. So here I'm on the front page of this website and I'm going to the COVID data application page, and I will talk today about distribution app. So I'll launch it by clicking on the icon distribution, and I will click again here on distribution, and the app will be launched. Actually, this app can be used to know the share of the number of cases for a selected number of countries of the COVID cases, or the death of the COVID, either the total number of them or the daily cases. Okay, so let me give an example. So I suppose that I want to have the share between France and Italy, two countries. I'm making things easier here, and I will know how was the share between these two countries and the total number of deaths. So you can see all along the COVID period the proportion of COVID death between France and Italy were almost very equal. 50% to France, 48%, 50% to Italy actually, 48 more or less for Italy, and like today until the last update 20 April 25th was 53-62% for Italy and 46-38 for France. So if I do click on cases, I will know the shares between the number of cases. The one I was showing before is the number of death. Okay, so almost the same. Sometimes during October, November, we observe more cases in France than in Italy, and so on. Okay, now also we can see the daily number of cases. So I have just to click on daily, and so we obtain the shares between. So of course this is very irregular data because it's the raw data. So I'm representing here the average of the last 14 days, okay, to make it smoother. So okay, this is a little bit better. So in somewhat during the month of September, 80% of the daily cases was in France, and 30% in Italy, and the last one, like the last period, 69% of the daily cases were in France and 30% in Italy. Of course, like any kind of this graph, so you can download it in SVG format or PNG format, and you can download the data in CSV. You can choose a range of data. You can make it smoother. I choose here to represent 14 days, but I can choose to represent the last 21 days too. So this is it. And I can do something different. So Italy and France have in somewhat different size of population. So I assume that all of them have the population size of France. So like standardizing them, and it doesn't change a lot because, as I told you, France and Italy have almost the same population size. So you can do this. So I compare two countries, but you can compare between continents, you can compare between regions, and you can compare even between state and countries, or between some regions and country, and between like the European Union and the United States, and so on. Okay, so enjoy this app, and click on covidradar24.org. Thank you.